from the Filipino communities from all over the world. And he's happy to see us, his family.
Medyo matagal po kayo ngayon.
Merong pong mga situation sa loob na it's beyond our control. Doon lang siya sa loob ng mga ano. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside, yes.
VP, this is the first time na kompleto kayo, si Miss Hanelet, si Kitty, kayo po. How has this uplifted the spirit of your father?
Well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Patay! Nag-blush!
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bibi, Marika po.
Yes, mama.
Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Wow!
And then Kitty, ikaw na magsabi.
Well, yung mga
Na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi ata ready.
Ano sabi ng daddy?
So ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. And ayun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Nice.
Kapag advice pa siya sa'yo?
Secret mo. May mga bilin siya.
boyfriend.
May mga bilin siya, pero sa sunod na.
Secret mo lang.
VP, may balak po ba kayo mag-file ng request for hearing on procedural matters prior to the September 23 confirmation of hearing?
This is something
Confirmation
that
charges.
yes. Sa legal side, you need to talk to Nicholas Kaufman. So he's the only person that can talk about what they will do with regard to matters inside the ICC.
How are you, VP?
Pagyapon.
Okay lang. Not a problem. I'm just waiting for one more document, and then tapos na yung trabaho ko dito. But personally, I'm okay.
Are you going back to the Philippines after that?
Yes, opo. Oo. Yan na lang yung inaantay, yung document na yan.